Check it out. I'm just hanging out here by my awesome van. Oh, hey girl. You want a ride? Get out of here. I didn't want to give you a ride with your butterface anyway. So thanks for tuning in. Today I'm at the Mecum Auction in Kissimmee, Florida. Now this is the first time I've ever done anything like this or gone to a big auction like this, so I'm very excited to see what happens. So check it out. So in case you all were wondering, this is the one I want. So I got a birthday coming up. If you guys just want to take a collection, you know, it's or Valentine's Day, don't matter, I'm not picky. Tire's flat. Can I get a discount? Think it's too early? This is what happens when a Chihuahua and a Bulldog mate. This car reminds me of my ex-girlfriend. It looks just as good coming as it does going. Okay, so I lied. Well, I didn't lie, but I want this one too. So can you guys get this one for me? 69 Trans Am. And then look at this. Check this out. We got an old Chevy two-door wagon. That's awesome. That's actually really cool. I want that one. Well, eeny, meeny, miny, whatever. Either I'll be happy with. Just buy me one. Oh look, I found one of those rare 1950 Nash horseshoe crabs. Alright, so this is where the cars go in to get auctioned off. Alright guys, so this is where the action happens. There's the auction floor right there. Well, at least for people with money. Not me. I'm poor. Okay, so when I said I wanted that Cutlass, and I said I wanted that Chevy, and I said I wanted that Trans Am, I lied. Well, no, I didn't lie, but I want this one too, the 67 GTO. That'd be cool, right? No? Come on, I've been good this year. Somebody buy me one. I mean, really, I'm wasting my time out here. Look at all this garbage. This stuff's just junk. Oh no, oh. What happened here? Seriously, can we call a doctor or something? Because this thing looks like it's in pain. I don't know what happened, but it's an emergency. Somebody call the fire department. This Bugatti only does 198 miles an hour. Oh, this is the car I've always wanted. Oh my God, this is amazing. Oh man, how much? Man, $57,000. Man, I can't afford that. This auction's so dumb.